In 2026, applicant tracking systems act as an invisible, automated gatekeeper for almost every corporate job. The software ingests thousands of applications and instantly discards them based on formatting and keyword rules, long before a human ever sees them. To get past this filter, you need a systematic approach. We are going to build a technically clean, single-column document that parses perfectly for the bots and tells a compelling, readable story to human recruiters. Step 1 is gathering your materials. You will need your current, unoptimized resume and a specific target job description. If you want a digital shortcut, you can build this directly at eliteresume.net, which generates an ATS-ready document and scores your text against your target job in real time. Surviving this initial automated screen is the absolute prerequisite. You must clear the algorithm to earn a human evaluation and secure an interview. Applicant tracking systems read raw text data. When they encounter complex graphic designs, the parsing software frequently misreads the data or crashes entirely. Start by converting your document into a clean, left-aligned, single column. Use standard fonts like Arial or Calibri. You must entirely remove any nested tables, text boxes, and visual skill bars. These elements block the parser from reading the text inside them. Keep your phone number, email, and LinkedIn URL in the main body of the document. Parsers are programmed to ignore document headers and footers, meaning your contact information will be lost if you place it in the margins. Next, organize your data using the precise section titles the algorithm relies on for categorization: summary, skills, work experience, education, and certifications. By establishing this structural predictability, you eliminate the most common technical reason for automated rejection. With the structure secured, the algorithm measures your qualification by matching your text directly against the job description. Read through your target job description and identify the exact phrases, repeated skills, and specific tools the employer is asking for. Take those exact phrases and integrate them directly into your summary and skill sections. Make sure you use both the full technical terms and their common abbreviations. Do not attempt to game the system by pasting invisible blocks of comma-separated keywords at the bottom of the page. Recruiters actively check for keyword stuffing and will penalize your application. Integrating required terminology naturally into your sentences proves your true competency to both the machine filter and the human reader. Your work experience bullet points must immediately transition away from vague task lists. We need to construct dense, quantifiable business outcomes. To do this, use a strict structural formula. Start with an action verb, specify the scope, explain the method, and finish with a measurable outcome. Look at this weak, standard baseline example. Responsible for managing incidents for our SaaS platform. We transform this by applying a strong action verb and scope. Led incident response for a multi-region SaaS platform. Then we inject the method and outcome, cutting average resolution time from 90 to 55 minutes by introducing runbooks. Reserve this intensive formula for your most impactful work. Limit yourself to a maximum of 3 to 6 bullet points per recent role. Adhering to this formula creates an evidence-based narrative. Parsers can index your numbers, and human managers respect the clarity. The core rules apply to everyone, but you must adjust your layout hierarchy based on your professional level. If you are early in your career, position your education and skill sections above your limited work experience. Translate your university coursework and personal projects using the exact action, scope, method, and outcome formula we just covered. If you are a career switcher, utilize a 2-line professional summary at the top of the page. Use it to explicitly contextualize your pivot and highlight your transferable skills. Senior professionals should focus their bullet points heavily on team scale, budget management, and current leadership terminology. Your career stage strictly dictates the structural hierarchy of evidence required to prove your market value. Before you upload your file, execute a final, non-negotiable technical check. This is the plain text test. Copy your entire resume and paste it into a text editor. This perfectly simulates how the automated software will read your file. Review the plain text. If the information reads in a logical, chronological order and all sections are present, your layout is safe. Finally, export the completed document strictly as a .docs file or a text-based PDF to prevent formatting corruption during upload. Mastering this technical balance guarantees you pass the automated filter so a human can actually review your work. You can execute this system manually or automate your next application at eliteresume.net.